Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make an Elementor container full width. Alright, let's begin. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and open the Elementor menu. Under Settings, find the Features or Experiments tab and activate Flexbox Containers. This feature is necessary because it allows containers to stretch across the full width of the screen. Make sure to save your changes. Next, open the Elementor editor. If you need a new container, click the plus icon and choose a Flexbox layout. For an existing container, simply drag the container widget into your workspace. Flexbox containers are responsive and give you flexibility for modern designs. Now, select the container you want to expand. In the left panel, go to the Layout tab and change the Content Width option to full width. You can also adjust it to 100% or 100 VW for a true edge-to-edge design. So that's basically how you can make an Elementor container full width. That's it for this video. Thanks.